Although this is your school iPad and the IT department has it set up to certain specifications, you'll want to customize some of the settings to your liking. You will be using your iPad with students, so you'll want to protect access to your device. Let's begin with Auto Lock. For privacy purposes, when your iPad is left idle, your screen will lock and you'll have to log back in again. Choose 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15 minutes. We don't recommend selecting never. The password is currently set up by the IT department to a default password. At this point, you'll want to change it. Use the default password to gain access to the password lock screen. Then choose Change Password. Select a 4-digit password that you can easily remember and type it in. Check to make sure the Lock Password button is in the On position. You want to keep up with the never-ending updates in both iTunes and your apps. Change your settings to sync your iPad with your assigned account. Keep this account password private. In the Mail Contacts Calendar setting, we're going to make some very basic changes. You can now opt to add personal email accounts. Click the Add Account button at the top right of your screen. There are already 6 choices. You can choose one of these or click Other for an account not listed. I already have a Gmail account, so I'm going to add it to my iPad. I type the info as if I'm logging in and wait for it to be verified. Once it's verified, I simply exit the settings and open the Mail app. When I click on Mailboxes, Gmail is now one of my choices. Click on the Signature button to change the identifying contact information in your email. Use the on-screen keyboard to type it in so that your signature will show up on all of your sent email. Customizing the personal look of your iPad screen gives it a unique signature or visual identity. Select the Brightness and Wallpaper button. Use the slider button at the top to make your screen brighter or darker. This may depend on the ambient light of your classroom. To change the wallpaper, there are 2 choices. You can either click on the wallpaper, which shows a menu of pictures that come with your iPad, or you can choose the camera roll, which is the collection of photographs you've taken from your iPad. Make your selection and you have the option to set the picture on your lock screen, the main home page, or both. Sound effects are a fun way to customize your iPad. Use one sound effect to notify you of emails, other effects to alert you to calendar events and reminders. There are 53 alert tones to choose from. I'm going to change my mail alert from ding, which is the default, to chime.